Hi, this is Hu Jiang. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to install a light bar that will take the Cybertruck lightings to the next level. If you purchase the Foundation Series Cyberbeast trim, it comes with the Tesla OEM light bar included. But since mine is all-wheel drive trim, I need to buy one separately. This lighting bar accessory was sent from Henshaw. They sell many accessories not just for Cybertrucks but for various Tesla models. I'll add the link to the description below. First, let's take a look at what's included in the light bar kit. This light bar mounts onto the roof trim and you can install it using the provided brackets. It comes with a manual, and if you scan the QR code, you get an installation videos or a PDF. While these can help, they aren't very detailed, so I'll provide some additional tips in this video. The light bar is 56 inches long, perfectly matching the width of the body. The center LEDs act as a spotlight, while the side LED spreads the light widely to brighten up the surrounding area. I'll test it out after the installation. It's made of aluminum alloy, giving it a bit of weight, and the quality seems really good. For the first step, you need to attach the rubber pad to the brackets. These rubber pads protect the roof from direct contact with the brackets. Insert the screw on the top and twist the rubber pads onto the bottom. Open the very first roof mount cover and push the middle part to remove the cover. Inside, you'll see 2 bolts already installed. Go ahead and loosen them. Then mount the left side brackets here and reinsert the bolts. Since you'll need to adjust the position when attaching the light bar, it's a good idea to keep them loosely tightened for now. When you open up the trim cover on the other side, you'll find wires to connect to the light bar. They're wrapped in tape, so carefully unwrap them. Like the other side, remove the 2 bolts, then mount the right side bracket and loosely insert the bolts. Now, carefully lift the light bar onto the brackets. Since it's a little bit heavy, it's better to have a 2-person for this step. Be careful not to scratch the windshield or the roof glass. Once it's in place, secure it with screws, but keep them loose for now since you'll need to adjust the angle later. Now, we need to wire the light bar. There are 3 wires coming from the Cybertruck, but you only need to use the red and black ones for the light bar. Cut off the plastic cover at the end of the wire and connect black to black and red to red. The package includes heat shrink covers, so you just need to use those. Make sure the wires are twisted together properly, align the shrink cover over the connection, and use the heat gun to shrink it. Wrap it with the electrical tape, and before organizing wires, let's test to see if it works properly. Go to the outlets page on the screen, and then press the power feed button on the roof to supply power to the light bar. After confirming it's working without issues, we can now tighten all the bolts and screws, wrap the wire with tapes, and organize the cable. The light bar is IP67 waterproof, so you can use it without problems even when it rains. Since the installation, it's been through several rains and parked outside, but it still works perfectly. Because the light bar is slightly elevated, it shouldn't hit the glass due to the vibration. The rubber pads also rest against the plastic trim. It's very bright even during the daylight, and the visual seems to match the Cybertruck really well. As you can see, the center LED acts as a forward spotlight, while the LEDs on both ends spreads the light more widely. When testing it at night, you can definitely see the difference. Especially around here, there are many trees, twisted roads, and places without streetlights, so turning on the light bar illuminates the entire front area. It lights up much higher and wider than the high beams. However, since off-road light bars are extremely bright, you shouldn't use them on regular roads. When I go off-roading, this light bar will be a huge help to navigate at night. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See ya!